Hi children, welcome to Narayana Life class. So today in this assignment 16, let us go with the topic of communicable and non-communicable diseases. So in the first Roman, here we have the activities. We have to tick the activities which are healthy. Okay. See the first one, play outdoor games or watch TV. Which one is healthier here? Playing outdoor games is healthier. Okay. Next, see the second one, lemonade or aerated drinks. So in these two, which one is healthier? Drinking lemonade is healthier when compared to the aerated drinks. So let us stick with lemonade. Now see the third one, eating an ice cream or a cup of curd. Which one is healthier here? When compared to ice cream, eating a cup of curd is healthier. Okay. Fourth one, burger and pizza or green vegetables and fruits. So we have to take burger or pizza or green vegetables. We have to take the green vegetables and fruits. See here next fifth one, more proteins or more fats. Which one we have to take? We have to take more proteins. Proteins gives us energy and it is healthier activity when compared to fats. Next, let us go with the next slide. See here in the second section we have some symptoms. With the help of these symptoms we have to find out which disease it is and how the disease it is transferred and what are the parts affected in that disease. Okay. See here the first symptom, coughing and chest pain. Coughing and chest pain, it leads to a disease called tuberculosis. Let us write here tuberculosis. So this disease, how this disease it is transferred? It is transferred through the air droplets. This disease it is transferred through the air droplets. And what are the parts affected in that disease? So the parts affected, they are the lungs and also the other body parts may be damaged in this disease. Now let us go with the next second one, watery eyes, dry throat, headache, running nose. All these are the symptoms. These symptoms which disease they cause means they cause the common cold. Common cold. So how this disease it is transferred? It is transferred through the air droplets itself. And next, what are the parts affected in this disease? Mostly the respiratory system is damaged. So upper respiratory system is damaged in this disease. Upper respiratory system. And next, see the third one. What are the symptoms here? Itchy rashes with pink spots. So pink spots will be formed on the skin. This symptoms it includes the disease called chicken pox. So how this disease it is transferred? It is transferred from an infected person to the other person. It may transfer, and along with that it may transfer through direct contact. It may transfer through the direct contact. And what are the parts affected? Mostly the spots, the pink color spots, they appear on the skin. So here mostly the damaged parts is the skin itself. Now see the fourth symptom, scaly or raised patches. Raised patches will be formed on the skin. So this is the disease called the ringworm. What is the disease name? It is the ringworm. WORM worm. How this disease it is transferred? It is transferred through the direct contact itself, or it may be through the air droplets also. Next, what are the parts affected in this disease? It is also affects the skin. And next is the fifth one, irreversible paralysis in the limbs. So we will affect here, the limbs will be affected. So what is this disease? It is poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis. Okay. So how this disease it is transferred? It is transferred through the direct contact itself. So what are the parts affected in this? Means mostly the nervous system is affected in this. Mostly in this disease, the nervous system is affected. Next, let us go with the third section. See here, match the column 1 with the column B. See here, meat and eggs. So meat and eggs, it comes under where? Mostly they are the proteins. So let us write here B. Next, second one, it is vegetable oil. Vegetable oil means it comes under the fats. Vegetable oil, ghee, it comes under the fats. So let us write D. The third one, fruits. So fruits, they comes under vitamins. The fruits and vegetables, they comes under the vitamins. Next, cheese. Cheese, it comes under the minerals. Next, last, cereals. Cereals, it is the corn, cereals, they comes under the carbohydrates. Meat and eggs, proteins. Vegetable oil, fats. Fruits, vitamins. Cheese, it is minerals. Cereals, it is carbohydrates. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you.